Zero tayo ngayon sa all four stroke. Workout. Ito yung pinaka-item ko guys. Ha? Aspirador ng Iloilo. Sa veterans class, 45 up. Waiting area now. Proper tours. Our minor sponsors would like to thank Central Siganera Design for you. Here's a video of Yara Senior. Dafa Goods, International Corporation, International Business Corporation, IBC, Ayasik, Sugar Gate, Ultra-System Provider, Cable, Services Community, Pampeto, Food, University Water System, South, Dasmano Resources Corporation, thank you for the live streaming. Thank you, sponsors. And Public House, Vida Fiber, Jollibee, Video, Network Bank, Hong Kong Land Corporation, Starbucks, Nuisan, and okay, this is the final round and final hit for the all four strokes.
All Honda Sheriffel. Honda Sheriffel, please prepare.
Okay, leading race, Euro Fun. Followed by Steve Gallego. Okay. Habulan pa rin. Euro Fun and Steve. We will wait for this moment, guys. Okay. Okay, bumawi si Gantua on third. He is on third. Okay, Gantua. Yung nabagsak kanina guys, bumawi. Okay, side by side, side by side. Ayun. So, side by side dyan sa Hope Pido. Kita po natin ang bagbakan ni Euro Fun and Steve Gallego. Okay, tingnan natin guys. Sinong, uy, humabos Gantua. Alright, it's Steve Gallego now winning the race from the Guamaras Island. Okay. So Euro Fun, ayan, humabos Gantua, right behind.
Ibon, score natin sa qualifying. Ito yung kalito, no? Kali, patigay, nanay.
are calling two-stroke local enduro qualifying. Sidoy, Zairo, Jay, Tali, Ajari, Joseph, Bibi Gracia, Carlo, Pacardo, RJ, Ben, Lance, Abby, John Vitaluyo, and Kits. This is not your daylight. Ay, nako. Okay, balik na yung fan. Woo, grabe. So, white flag. Oh, Soran, Loreno. Ano nangyari, guys? Ha? Sayang yung takbo. Ay, nako. Kasi, no? Sa totoo lang, sigurado na yun, guys. We will be, ha? Kung wala nang nangyari kay Cantua, siya na yung mag-second, no? And automatic second because this is the final. No? Wala na ang upan. Ikaw yung first, ikaw na yung first. Okay. Checker flag for Steve Gallego. Alright, and we have Bureau Final second. Passing on the lead, got the high shot. Followed by Palacios. This is not the final hit, and Chef Fernandez on third, and he is having the hard ways. Okay, kanina sila nakahula, guys. Taking the burn. Okay. The third pa rin, si Chef. Kanina, full stick, siya yung nanguna. Okay. Nakita natin ang gandang takbo ngayon ni
All Hondas are referred to the waiting area. Special event to the starting gate. All Hondas are referred to the waiting area. Proceed na kamo for your final hit.
Okay, we have Tos and Chef Fernandez. Okay, we have Calcin. Ayan, pangatlo ko rin si Sin. Gumamit ng burn. Ayan na, sa likod. Likuran ni
to make some drinks.
Okay, pangalawa na, Shim. And Palacios at third. So, anong nangyari kay brother Eugene Fernandez? Sila yung doon. Okay.
AJ Ryder Gates Opo.
Okay, ayan, palapit na. Palapit na, ayan, ayan. Okay.
Okay.
So, this is the battle between Pausin and Shane Fernandez.
Balik na ba?
Okay, so we have Eugene. Fernandez. Dalawang paganda. So, Shane naman second pa rin si Shane from Himalas Island.
Gawin lang, gawin lang.
So, Radio, Rhino, Sirangalit. Ayun! What a nice! Ha? Yung style yun, ha? Style. Ha? Cheap break, ha? Cheap break. Oh. Welcome, guys. This is Ali Casabordo on 6th position. Okay, Shane Fernandez now taking the lead. Nanguna na ngayon si Shane Fernandez. Okay, we'll be going to the checkers. Pangalawa lang si Tosing and we have Palacios on third. Okay, Fernandez, bakbakan pa rin natin. Ayun. Ayun. Malapit na sa finish line. Ano ba yan? Ay, nako. Talpukan pa. Okay, congratulations, Shane Fernandez. Woo! Okay, congratulations, Tosing. And we still have more laps to go for this race. pangalan yung tatlo ni Sigoy Politisyar. Dahil ngayon si Sigoy, no? Bumawi si Sigoy ngayon guys. But Europan, I don't know. Okay, bagsak kanina si Europan. So,
Nawa naman ko kay Sar nga to. Ngayon dating mo to. Tapos doon. Dito sa dapat masabi na tapos ko mo sa dapat exit. Tapos doon ko finish line doon. Basta magkuha ng vlog ra. Wadyo, ini na mambago ba? Attention, executive production to the waiting area.
okay, so still on the lead at Chef Fernandez. Ay, nako, side by side. Woo! Okay, so Barrero on second. Barrero on third. And we have Arroyo and Lalarba. Okay, ito po yung top 5 natin for this executive local enduro 40 up. So we will be partially calling all the open local enduro qualified. Okay, it's Barredo now. It's changing position. Barredo now taking the lead for the executive local enduro. Second, Chief Fernandez. And we have Herrera on third. Okay, Arroyo on fourth. Alarma on fifth. Okay, we have now the top 5 rider for